Hey everybody, it's Dane from leadgenerationtechniques101.com and 5figuremethod.com. I'm just throwing out a quick video today on how to create a custom menu in WordPress. This would be for more people beginning or starting out in WordPress. This should be pretty much well known by most intermediate people, people with more experience on WordPress. So custom menu can be important on your WordPress blog for various reasons, and they can be placed in different areas if you want to highlight certain pages or certain posts or certain categories in a particular area on your blog. So anyways, let's just get right into it. I'm just going to go to my WordPress section. So when you're in WordPress and you're in your back end in the admin area, you have all these various options here, obviously. Right now we're in the widgets area, which shows you different positions and different areas where items can be placed. Depends on the theme. Some themes have very limited options. Other themes give you all sorts of options. And then on some themes, you're able to customize certain things and add text boxes and things where you can add HTML code and things like that. So anyways, what you're going to want to do first is you would go into your menus section, which is over here on the left. You would go to create new menu. Now, I already have the menu created. You would put the name in here of what the menu was that you wanted to create. So if you wanted it to be, a specific like footer menu or, sidebar menu, blah, 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 whatever, you would put that in here. You would then click create menu. So anyways, my menu is already created. So I'm going to go into here and I'm going to select that menu because I want to edit it. And then what you're going to do out of the content that's on your page, so under your pages section, you'll have different pages that are created that you may want to place in your menu, or you've got categories that you may want to place in your menu, things like that, links, there's various things that you may want to build into your menu. With this particular menu that I'm working on, these are just going to be links above my footer. So I would simply go in here. I would click the links that I want to go in my footer, like privacy policy, contact us, maybe the about page. These are just my preferences. I mean, you can put whatever you want, wherever you want. And I would go add to menu. It's added them. You can rearrange them by dragging them, or in which order you would like. Now down here, theme locations, they give you some areas for this. I don't want it as my primary menu, but I do want it as my footer links menu. So I could put it in there, click that. Automatically add new top level pages to this menu? No. So if you had other pages you were creating and you wanted them to automatically be posted to your menu, and let's say it made sense that you had it in a sidebar and you wanted your pages automatically added as you created your pages, then you could definitely click that, and every new page that you created on a specific topic would automatically be added into your menu. But you would have to have some extra control over that to see how that would play out, because you wouldn't want, if you're adding a lot of content, you wouldn't want your menu to be, a mile long in most cases. So there's times when that would come into play, but for what we're doing today, no, that's it. So I would click footer links, save menu. The menu is saved. If I visit the site, the main site, and go down, you can see on this particular theme it added the links right here. Okay, which is pretty neat. This seems like a pretty nice, clean theme. It's called the sparkling theme. But in other instances, you could go into your widgets area. If you wanted to put your menu somewhere else, you could go into your widgets area. You could find your sidebar, and you could find the custom menu. You could drag it over. Let's say you wanted to put it here. You drag it over, you drop it in, you click on the drop down arrow. Oh, sorry. You could title it if you wanted to. If not, you could leave it blank. You go to here, select your menu, footer, belly, fat links. You put it, click that, save it, and that custom menu would now appear in your sidebar, as long as your page was set to use sidebars. But that's it. That's as simple as it is. There's nothing to it. Just a really quick video today, and hope you visit the sites and have a look around. And if you're looking for money-making opportunities or other tips for search engine optimization, WordPress, and things like that, then you want to visit leadgenerationtechniques101.com. Thanks.